It's happened again. Another major Supreme Court ruling on abortion was mistakenly released today. So this has to do with emergency abortions in the state of Idaho, but has huge implications for all states with abortion restrictions and bans. So according to the reporting, the U.S. Supreme Court is going to rule 6-3 in favor of allowing emergency abortions, regardless of state law, to continue at least temporarily as this case continues to be fought out in the lower courts. Now, shortly after the document released this morning, the Supreme Court's press office admitted making this information public was their own mistake, saying the court's publications unit inadvertently and briefly uploaded a document to the court's website. But that brief upload was all it took for this information to spread nationwide. Now, a few important things I really need you to understand about this story. One, this is exclusive reporting from Bloomberg Law. Their reporters discovered this link to what they call a Supreme Court opinion on supremecourt.gov. That link was only active briefly. Bloomberg Law says while the court was uploading today's other opinions, their reporters noticed an active link for the cases of Idaho v. United States and Moyle versus United States. And that's how they found this information. And you can see the document Bloomberg attached to the article, which they say is what their reporters downloaded from the Supreme Court's website, is not formatted the same way other Supreme Court rulings are formatted. Now, while it is lengthy and does include a majority opinion and dissenting opinion, there's no way to tell if this thing is complete. The other important thing I need you to understand is while the Supreme Court acknowledges, yep, this was our mistake, we were the ones who inadvertently uploaded this thing to the website, they are also stating very clearly that what Bloomberg Law found on supremecourt.gov was a document from these cases, not a finalized opinion of the Supreme Court. They say that ruling will come in due course. The reality is what the Supreme Court ultimately rules could be different than what Bloomberg Law saw this morning, or it could be exactly the same. We just won't know for sure until the Supreme Court officially releases this ruling, which could be tomorrow or Friday. And of course, when this ruling is actually released, I will give you a full, accurate report on how the justices rule.